no matter how much you research about it and you figured out that cryptos or NFTs are not for you, or you really believe that we're not gonna go the metaverse route, then you don't have to invest in it. You only have to invest in what makes sense to you. Hey guys, so as you all know, I've been doing a lot of Facebook Lives and YouTube Lives lately, and one of the biggest questions that I would still get over and over in those lives is, what's the best crypto to buy right now? What's the best token to buy right now? What's the best NFT to buy right now? What's the best stock to buy right now? And the answer to that is this. It's not about what's the best stock to buy, the best crypto to buy, the best NFT to buy. It's about what's the best token, best coin, best stock, best NFT that you actually know, that you actually study. And I've said this over and over and over, the ROI of any investment is in whose hand is it on. You should invest into something that you fully know, that you have full conviction in, but above and beyond that, that you believe that you have an edge over 99.99% of the population, meaning because you've taken the time to study it, because you know about it, you believe that it's something that's really, really good, it's something that's undervalued, but a lot of people don't understand it yet. And in the same way, that holds true for Bitcoin, that holds true for Ethereum, that holds true for the other L1 chains, that holds true for the other NFTs out there, that holds true for any other stock that you actually want to watch. And what I'm saying here is, this is the cold, hard truth that all of what I'm saying takes time. All of what I'm saying needs hard work. Investing may seem passive once you've already deployed the capital, but the road to get there takes time. But the road to learning about it is hard work. If you're not willing to spend a lot of time to learn it, maybe you should not be investing in it. Volatility will happen, or there will be bearish cycles, or there will be things that in your business that may not go the way you want it to go, or there will be times that sales will be down, or there will be times that this company that you invested in, their quarterly results may not be so good, or there might be FUD in a certain cryptocurrency. And when all of that happens, there will be a negative adverse effect on the particular stock, token, crypto, NFT business that you actually have. And with that, you must be willing to either pivot, double down, or figure out and know what's actually going on. It actually pays to know what you're getting into. It actually pays to have the conviction that no matter if everyone else is telling you to buy, but it doesn't make sense to you, then you don't buy it. No matter if 99% of your friends tell you to buy this because it's gonna go to the moon, but based on your analysis, it's not something that fits you, then you don't go for it. I highly implore you, every time you enter an investment, always look at if it fits your financial goals. Always look at if it fits your financial timelines, because we all have different timelines. I'm 38 years old. I'm turning 39 this September. And there might be some of you watching this and you're 23 years old. That alone spells a very, very big difference of what investments we enter into. That alone spells a very, very big difference on the positions that we could take. Because a 23-year-old versus maybe, let's say, someone who's 58, that person who's at 58 is most likely earning more. Maybe has more savings, or maybe that person has more debt, or maybe that person also has more responsibilities. But what I'm saying, there's so much variables. And that's why the biggest investment that will give you the biggest return is something that you understand, is something that you know the most. You may be watching this and you're from the Philippines and you're thinking that crypto is something that might be too volatile for me. Even the stock market might be something too volatile for me. Then conservative investments that are guaranteed, like Pag-ibig MP2, might be the way to go. And wherever you are in the world, whatever country you are invested in, there are investments that are less volatile that will also work for you. That's the name of the game. There might be an imbalance that, because I know the technology and I've spent a lot of time learning about it, that I highly favor it. But I think videos like this are important to balance it out, that no matter how much you research about it and you figured out that cryptos or NFTs are not for you, or you really believe that we're not gonna go the metaverse route, then you don't have to invest in it. You only have to invest in what makes sense to you. For example, you study cryptocurrencies, but it's only Bitcoin, that makes sense to you, then you don't have to study all of the other 13 plus thousand cryptocurrencies and tokens out there. Or in the same way, if it's Ethereum that you think will be the most dominant chain ever, then it's okay. You see what I'm doing here? It's laying the groundwork for you to actually work and spend the time to learn more about it, to do a deep dive on what it actually is. If you want to be successful in any investment, any endeavor, it takes hard work. Because if it's so easy, then everyone would be doing it. We only have one Vitalik, one ZZ, one Michael Saylor, one Raul Paul. It takes a lot of time to be a master of something. It takes a lot of time also to be good at something, to excel at something, to do something that's opposite and different as what everyone else is doing. This channel is not just about investing. It's not just about that. But it's about taking the time to hustle, taking the time to learn, taking the time to research, and taking the time to actually pursue your dreams and do something different. And all of that requires hard work. All of that requires doing other things that will take you out of your comfort zone. If you're not challenged anymore in what you do on a daily basis, then maybe you've been so comfortable already. Allow 2022 to disrupt the way you think, the way you would spend time to be better. Find ways to push you to find ways to take the time to study. In my own journey as a stock market person, as a stock market investor, and now looking at crypto assets, I had to take the time to learn more about it. You can watch my videos, you can attend my seminars, you can read my books, but you can't get my conviction. The conviction comes from you taking the time to learn, you doing your due diligence, and you actually deploying capital. So what's the best token to buy? If you're asking that question, that means you shouldn't be investing yet. When you've taken the time to study and learn, you wouldn't be asking that question and you're just trying to scrap for more capital because you already know where you're supposed to invest and put your money into. There's no best token or coin to buy right now. It's only the best token and coin that actually fits you. So there, I hope you guys like this. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about technical analysis and trading, check out our pre-recorded Zoom course below. If you want to learn more about the stock market, check out the books that I have below. If you want to invest in the crypto markets, check out Binance, check out GoTrade if you want to invest in the US markets for $1 only. And like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing. Stay tuned for more videos. This is 2022. This is marvingermo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.